everyone, today I have another eye tutorial for you guys, and today I created this really nice smoky winged out eye. If you guys want to know how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I just did my eyebrows and then I primed my eyelids, and then I have tape on my eyelids because I want to do like a smoky wing today. Alright, and I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette today because I haven't used it in a while. I'm going to take this color right here, the fourth color, and I'm just going to throw this onto the crease and really buff this in. And then we really want to make sure to go ahead and blend on top of the tape as well so that we can get that really nice cat eye effect. Alright, and then let's take this color right here on the second row, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing and throw this in the creases, a little bit of a darker shade. I'm going to take this color right here called Buns and then work that one into the crease. Whatever is left over on the brush, I'll just work it into the inner corner and then blend it out. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild eyeliner and I'm going to go ahead and smudge this onto my lash line and then wing it out as well. So first I'm just going to line it. I'm just going to do sections, so I'm going to line out the outer half and then take my smudge brush. This is the Morphe M508, and then kind of work fast and smudge the eyeliner out before it starts to dry. So my eyes are lined, and then we're going to go ahead and smudge it out even more with black eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take the black from the palette and take it on that same brush and then start to smoke out the actual eyeliner. I'm just going to go ahead and reapply that chocolate brown color and blend that out into the crease. So that's basically it for the eyes. It looks like a hot mess, but we're going to go ahead and take out the tape and then reveal the really sharp line. So I just finished the rest of my makeup, and then we're going to go ahead and smoke out the lower lash line since it is so bare. So I'm just going to take the two transition colors that we used earlier, mix them, and then just kind of smudge them under my lower lash line and then connecting it with the wing. And then I'm just going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes and then pop them some falsies and then finish off my lips and then show you guys the completed look. So this was the completed eye look for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's really a nice, simple, smoky winged out eye, and then the skin is just your typical nice and glowy with a really nice nude glass. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as always. Follow me on my socials right here, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next one. Bye!